welcome to another channel episode. Remember, this is a channel where we talk all about how you don't need to be a CEO in order to have some impact on the world. And in this week, we took that break that we were talking about last week. That last week, we talked about burnout. This week, we're talking about coming back strong. Last week, I was mentally exhausted. I had been doing data science, learning programming for over 30 something weeks, right? It must be, there's like 30 something videos out now, so it must have been over 30 weeks. It started back in May. It is December, and we have literally never taken a break, not even 1 week. Actually, there was 1 week where I traveled, and then there's this week. So 2 weeks out of, over 30 weeks of just straight every day, just do a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. And now, just slowly climbing the ladder, going 2 forward, 1 back, 2 forward, 1 back. I've managed to be able to start my first data science project this week. It's Monday, and I'm going to spend the next 5 days doing a machine learning computer vision project, which is something I would have never dreamt of just a couple of weeks ago, honestly. And it really attests to the do a little bit every day and just going forth with, dedication and passion. It's just amazing. But one thing I really want to talk about this video is about how the break ended up working. So if you think about it, I actually finished last week just mentally exhausted. I was complete. I felt like I couldn't learn anything else. My memory, my RAM in my head must have been at like 100%. People were telling me things and I just wasn't grasping it. I was quite literally becoming, almost depressed because of nothing was going the way I wanted it to go in my learning of data science. And so I made that video about burnout, and then I actually followed my advice and took a week break. And during that week, I didn't turn on my computer. I didn't sit down on my desk. I just spent it, in the kitchen, or I spent it seeing some friends. I went to the beach once. That was super fun. And I completely forgot about data science completely. Honestly, I just let it slide. Everything slide. All the thoughts of work slide. And it was hard because in the beginning, you felt empty. You felt like, hey, I'm supposed to be working right now. And that was just kind of like the momentum that you had to stop. And once I stopped that, I had fun. It just so happened to be Thanksgiving, so I had some, good food as well, and completely forgot about my data science journey. And now Monday coming back, it was like I was scared. I was like, I forgot everything. Everything I've been learning, I can't remember it. What happened? But slowly as I started programming, it was like, I got the balls rolling again, and all of a sudden I was like, wow, like I know a lot. And I know a lot easily. Like it's not like tough for me to do certain things. Like, let's do an EDA on some images or a pandas data frame, or loading CSV files and messing with them. It's like I was just doing that like while I was like hunched in my desk. Like it was a joke, and I was like, oh wow, like I know a lot. Like all of this is kind of like second nature now. And so that's just wow. That's big. And so I'm very excited to show you guys a video of what I'm gonna finish this week. This week, like I said, is going to be purely a machine learning computer vision project, and I'm not going to tell you anything about it, but it's turning out to be amazing. And I've only worked on it for a couple of hours, but it's gonna be so fun. I think I really think I really enjoy this, working with images and getting the computer to learn how to see images. To me, that's one of the most fascinating things about data science. And yeah, the week in retrospect, the week off was so necessary. in order to start this very difficult project, because you know, my memory in my head was filled at 100%, and now it's at 0. So I'm gonna be able to start off super strong and excited, and yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.